Hi, my name is Dr. Claudia Anderson from Family Dental Care Park Ridge, and welcome to another segment of Word of Mouth Wednesday. It's Labor Day weekend, and the weather has gone from sultry and hot a few days ago to very fall-like today. It's wonderful. And it brings to mind the fact that starting this week, pretty much all of the schools will be back in session. It kind of gradually started, but typically after Labor Day, most of the schools in the area are back full-time. And that brings to mind dental exams. Most of you know as parents that your children are required to have dental exams complete during certain years of their schooling. When they're in kindergarten, when they're in second grade, and when they're in sixth grade, it is a requirement to have a dental exam such that the dentist will take a look at your child's teeth and oral condition and assess the child's needs. There's a form, this is the form right here, that has to be filled out by your dentist, and then you give it to the school and they keep it on file. The reason is pretty intuitive as to why the schools are requiring periodic dental exams, and that is because if they didn't require it, there's an awful lot of children out there that would never get to see a dentist and never have their teeth examined. So this kind of forces the parent's hand and says, listen, in order to comply with our school's regulations, you need to have your child have at least 3 exams during the time that they're in grade school. So again, for kindergarten, for second grade, and for sixth grade. If you don't have these forms, they're easy to pull up on the internet, or your dentist may actually have extra forms like this and have it ready to be filled out at the time of your child's exam. And of course your school will be able to provide you with these forms if you don't have them. You have until May 15th of that year to comply with getting your child in for an exam. And at that time, the school, if they have record of the exam being done, your child will be able to get their grades for the end of that school year. If you don't have the dental exam on record, the school has the right to withhold the grades for that child. So it's pretty simple. If you make an appointment with your dentist or are recommended a dentist to go see for your child, they will, and explain that this is for your school exam. The dentist will take a look in your child's mouth as they would on a normal checkup exam and look for cavities, look for the presence of any fillings, look for the presence of any sealants that exist, check the child for the potential need for orthodontia, and will write those things down on this form and fill it out and talk to you as the parent about what the child may or may not need. And then once this form is signed, you can bring it to your school. And it's really a great opportunity for you as a guardian or parent to show your child your level of responsibility for your own oral health care. And so as long as you're making the appointment for your child to have their school dental exam complete, it's a perfect opportunity for you to make that appointment for yourself as well, and your child can see that you too take your oral health quite seriously and that it is an important factor in the development of your overall health, or in the care of your overall health. So again, the starting of school is a perfect time to just kind of remember that if you've got a child that is entering kindergarten or second grade or sixth grade, they will need a dental exam completed to be on file at their school in order for them to comply with the school's requirements. And if you have any questions at all, we would be happy to help you out. We do these dental exams for children all the time. So give us a call or email us at info@parkridgedds.com, and we'd be happy to help you. Meanwhile, as always, remember, we love making you smile.